This tutorial will show you how to create and edit templates. You find templates under Tools. Press the icon and a pop-up will appear. The pop-up consists of 3 sections: a list of existing templates, a view of the template you have selected from the list, and standard templates. Select a template from the list to see and edit it in the bottom. Press Save to register any modifications. You can also create a new template. Click the plus icon and create the template below. Now save, and the template will appear in the list. Here, you can choose templates to use as standard when you send a new email, reply, reply all, and forward. Use the drop-down to choose a template, and it will automatically be inserted when you write in the future. Press Save to register modifications. You can insert your templates quickly when you create or reply to an email. Just check the Show on drop-down box off on the templates you wish to access. When you're done, press the small X in the right corner. The templates that you have ticked off will now appear on drop-downs when you create and reply emails.